7428 Barranca Peak Court. It's a one-car garage. There doesn't appear to be power. The wall is pretty close to the color that we usually paint it, but it's not in perfect condition, so that'll be a Jenny call. From what I see, the blinds look fine. And that was a change in flooring. Yeah, there doesn't appear to be power. Ah, it's tandem. Okay. There's definitely wear here. I don't know if it'll look better after a cleaning. Verticals will probably need to be replaced, and we have a missing one here. That's not a big expense at all. If we can keep this, we can just replace the slats. That's a Jenny call. It's not a big cost. Okay, let's head upstairs. There's some wear on the stairs as well. Maybe paint the handrail. Decent sized room. Blinds look good to me. Lots of natural light. The laminate continues until the wet area of the bathroom, which is a changeover to ceramic tile. Somewhere on the cabinets as well. These blinds need to be replaced, but so far the others that I've seen look good to me. Little crack in the tile here. It doesn't squeak or feel unstable, so I wouldn't think that it was installed wrong. It may just be cracked. Nice loft area with a fan. Vinyl here in this room. Again, sorry there's no light. My flashlight is on. These blinds look a little droopy. Need Jenny's opinion on whether or not they can stay. There's enough scuff marks throughout the house on the paint that it's possible there needs to be a repaint rather than a touch-up, but it's also maybe just needs to be cleaned. It's hard for me to tell. So that's it.